Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Globo Arte magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're going to be looking at another secret website to sell your art and designs online. So we'll be covering another website in a series of secret websites. So let's get straight with that. Before on good part, consider clicking the like button guys, really appreciate that. And if you want more such video, consider subscribing to our channel. Also, we have the bunch of free resources on our website. The link card is in the description box below, or simply head over to globocreative.com. Check out the freebie section of all the freebies that we have, and make sure to check it out each month because we will be adding more each month. And also guys, I'm going to leave the link of the complete playlist of the secret websites where you can sell your art and designs in the card section above. You can check it out because each week we make a video talking about a secret website where you can sell your work, and it's an awesome way. Like, some websites are applicable for you, some may not be, but still it's a great thing to know about new websites where you can sell your work and to get the new opportunities to make more money online. Now today's website, a secret website, is not that secret. Maybe some of you have heard about it, but I'm going to be covering one special point about that secret website because not many people know about that. Now talking about that secret website, now that website is not that secret, you might have heard about it, but I'm going to be covering one important feature of that website which not many people have heard about it, and that will really going to make a difference. Because if you're thinking that only a traditional artist can sell on that website, then you're probably wrong, and I'm gonna be telling you why it's wrong in this video. So let's get started with that and also talk about that secret website. Without further ado, let me talk about that. That website is Saatchi Art. Now you would be thinking, oh, Saatchi Art is for the original artworks. The people sells the original artwork, only the traditional artist can sell their work, but that's not the true guys. Saatchi Art also allow you to sell your art, your designs via the prints, and they do all the printing, shipping and delivery your art prints to the customers, and you just need to sit back and relax. Kind of like a print on demand option is there on the Saatchi Art as well. If you don't know about it, I'm going to be talking about this thing in this video, and we're going to be covering much more in the depth. So on this website, what you can probably sell. So let's talk about that. You can sell the paintings, drawings, sculpture, prints, photography, collage, new medium storage. Like, there are so many things that you can sell on this website. It's not just for the original artwork. If you are an artist, you're a traditional artist in creating your original artwork, then obviously you can sell your original artwork. Like, you just need to ship, you just need to pack your artwork and they're gonna handle the shipping. But if you are a print on demand seller or even a designer who are creating your own designs, then probably you can check out their print on demand sections. Now, if you go into the website, there is nothing written like as a print on demand. You just need to go over to the print section and actually see how to sell the prints on that. This is the part of the print on demand aspect that I'm going to build tools and a passionate team, spend less time managing logistics and more time making art, pay less shipping. And when you sell your art with Saatchi Art, shipping is paid for by the collector, is handled by a specialist, saving you time and money. You only pack the work and pay for the packaging materials. Now this thing is for the original artwork guys. First I'm going to be covering about the original artwork, then I'm going to be covering about the print on demand aspect, like selling the prints onto this website as being a print on demand seller. So manage your portfolio anywhere. Mobile web experience allow you to add, edit and update artworks and respond to sales from anywhere. Display multiple images of your artwork, share up to 5 different viewpoints of each of your artworks, enabling Saatchi Art collectors to get a better sense of your work before they actually purchase. Current and easy, choose how and when you get paid. We offer secure payments by check, wire transfer or PayPal. So you're gonna get paid either if you're selling the original artwork or either you're selling your prints. You're gonna get paid by the PayPal, so no issues there. Our support and specialists ensure our artists and collectors are financially protected on every sale. Free to create an account. We handle shipping, no fees, receive 60% on every artwork sold. Non-exclusive policy, secure online payments and artist protection. This is a kind of like more of the original artwork guys. Featured by Saatchi Art. Our commission is reinvested into giving you as much exposure as possible. These are just some of the ways we promote our artists every day. Attention from our curators who look carefully at all our works. Art advisory services for personal recommendations to collectors and trade clients. Social media promotion to our 1.1 million followers. Popular editor features rising stars, when to watch inside the studio, new this week, artist of the day, paid online, offline advertising, PR support, the saatchi art printed catalog. Sell, like why you need to sell under the saatchi art. As a world's leading online gallery, artists represented in 100 plus countries, works sold to collectors in 80 plus countries. That is amazing. 12 million plus monthly page views, 1.6 million plus monthly visits, 1.1 million plus social media followers, printed catalog sent to 1 million plus households. So they have a huge customer base which accounts to very well. 18 international shows and affairs annually reaching to 150k people. So that's an awesome, you can be found by so many people. Now I'm going to be talking about the prints because this is the important factor. If you are a print on demand seller, if you're a designer, then this thing is for you. Please understand that there are two ways to sell prints onto the saatchi art. Okay guys, the one is the open edition print, the second is the limited edition print. The open edition prints are for you guys, for the print on demand seller. Let me talk about that. Upload artworks and make open edition prints available in addition to or instead of selling the original artwork. They will be generated, printed and shipped by the saatchi art. So if you are using the print on demand facility of the saatchi art, then you comes into the open edition prints. Okay guys, you just need to upload your artwork, you just need to upload your design on their website. They're gonna print it, ship it and deliver to the customer just like every other print on demand website do, and you're gonna get paid by the PayPal. So that comes in the frame of the open edition prints. But what is exactly the limited edition print? Let's talk about that. Let's sell limited edition prints which you'll print and package yourself before being picked up and delivered by a courier. So if you are an original artist and creating your own prints, and limited edition print is for you, but being a print on demand seller, we are looking for a print on demand option. So that is the open edition prints. You can sell the different kinds of the canvas prints or original different kinds of the prints, the posters on this website. Not so many products is not there. It's mainly catering to the prints, guys. That's the thing you can actually encounter on this website. Where I get paid section. You will be able to request your payout 7 days after your artwork has been safely delivered to the collector. The funds will be made available in your sales dashboard. You can be paid by check, wire transfer or PayPal. Please note that payouts are typically for full 14 calendar days from the date of your request. All you have to do is log in into your saatchi art account and go to your sales dashboard in order to request your payout. So you need to request your payout if you are going for the original artwork. Once your product has been shipped to the customer after the 7 days, I think days your artwork has been delivered to the collector, then you can request for the payout, and within the 14 calendar days you're going to get paid. So there are basically the two different kinds of options you can look around. Being a traditional artist, you can sell your work in the form of the original artworks, and you can just make your original artwork, just pack it, and they're gonna handle the shipping and all stuff. But being a print on demand seller, you can just place your artwork, your designs onto the prints onto their marketplace, and they're gonna print it, ship it and deliver to the customer, and you're gonna get paid by the PayPal, the check, and the wire transfer is also there. So you can utilize the saatchi art as being a print on demand seller. I'm going to leave all the resources in the description box below, guys. If you just go over to the saatchi art, you're going to see why sell on the saatchi art. Just you can go over there, open a free account, and after opening up a free account, read the detail. There is an option to allow your work to be sold as an open edition prints, and we only want that because we want the print on demand option. So we only want our artwork to be sold as open edition prints, as a print on demand, to make money from that. So I hope you have enjoyed today's video and you get some value out of it. Do let me know in the comment section below. Are you selling your work onto saatchi art? Are you thinking of that? I would really love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.